What's going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So, for those of you guys that have noticed, or maybe you haven't noticed, the channel just hit 1,000 subscribers. Yes, 1,000 people click that little red button to watch me every single day or whenever they want to trade stocks, talk about investing, stock market, and all of that awesome stuff that we talk about on this channel. So I just wanted to take a little bit of time today to just thank all you guys out there that have been watching my content, that have been, religiously supporting me in the comment section, joining our Discord group chats, Facebook group, interacting with the members, helping everybody out, networking, just constantly on a day-to-day basis. I really want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, because if you told me 1 year ago when I started this YouTube channel this past October in 2017 that in 1 year we're going to have 1,000 subscribers and a community that's really engaging, talking on a day-to-day basis about trading, stocks, stock market, helping each other, I would have slapped you across the face and called you silly. But today, guys, literally in 2018, 1 year later, we hit that milestone of 1,000 people. We have that community that's, helping each other on a day-to-day basis in the Discord group chat, and we're really just becoming friends, guys. I don't even consider you like subscribers or just random people. I consider you my friends. Like, literally, we're talking on a day-to-day basis, and this is something that I could have never imagined. It's like absolutely 100% awesome. So I just want to thank you guys. This is something that I've always wanted to do, build a community, build a group of investors and traders, because, just a little backstory, none of my friends, none of my people that I'm close to around here, my area, were really ever into investing and trading. And, that's something that I've been passionate about, money, finance, investing, trading for a while now. So, creating this community, being able to talk to you guys on a day-to-day basis, you don't understand how much it truly means to me. So, again, thank you all so much for subscribing, keeping up to the content, gaining value and bringing so much value to this group. Hopefully everybody out there has a great rest of your day. Have a great trading week. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Again, thank you all so much. Love you guys. Peace out.